good people? It's JT, and it is a little bit before mid-February in the year of 2024, and it is time for the next drone life adventure. And this one's going to be a long one. What's up, my good people? I am speaking to you from Cooter, Missouri, and it is quite beautiful, actually. This is the best cell site I've ever been to. It's brand new, which is nice. But other than that, it's just in the middle of God's country, and I mean, I have come to appreciate this. Check this out. It is so nice. This place is so quiet and peaceful. Love it. I'm just going over there. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. I think we are headed for the Ozarks. What do you think? It is February 25th, and I am in Branson, Missouri.